Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk about all things motherhood and finance on this channel and some homemaking stuff because I find that really enjoyable. One of the more well-performing videos on my channel was a Lovevery toy review for my daughter for one of the last play kits that we got, which was actually our first play kit because we were good on toys, and then I felt like I just wanted to add in some more spice to her play routine and some better learning without going with all the bells and all the whistles that can really distract your child rather than helping them grow and develop. So today I'm going to be going over the 13, 14, and 15 month play kit and kind of what's included, my thoughts on it. And I will add a timestamp down below, but before we get into that, I kind of wanted to talk about why we decided to go with this toy kit rather than picking out individual toys, and kind of our hope and just what we're wanting for our daughter's future. We are currently trying to decide between homeschooling our daughter and private schooling her. YouTube is a great way for me to earn some extra money, especially on my other channel that is monetized. And in a few years, when my daughter is ready to go to school and is ready to start learning or be homeschooled, then that channel will be making enough to support her tuition at a Christian private school that we have been looking at a few, but we aren't quite sure if we want to homeschool or private school her yet. And so I thought, because she's not quite in that stage of wanting to sit down and kind of go through books or flashcards or learn or whatever, that we would start off with toys and kind of having toys to help her learn and help me decide, like, hey, is homeschooling right for us? And so that's why we kind of went with the Lovevery kit. I also have an associate's degree in early childhood education. I was going to go into education, but I decided to go into software. It's a weird career transition. Let's go ahead and jump into the specific toys. I'm actually looking at them right now, so that's why you can see, look down at the toys. And I should mention that we've been playing with these for a while, so these are really tried and true in what she really likes, and some toys I could not find the book because she loves the book so much, and has actually kind of destroyed it because she loves it so much, but I don't have it here to show you. So let's go ahead and start. It does come with this fun little play, oh, it's upside down, this little play thing, and on the back side it kind of goes over, this is too big, all the different things. So the first book is the Bedtime for Zoe book, and I could not find it. It is not in the car, it's not in the diaper bag, it's not in her room, it's not anywhere to be found. But trust me, she really loves this book. It kind of goes through a nighttime routine, this is the perfect time for you to be kind of starting up a nighttime routine, brushing teeth, kind of doing bath time and a story time and getting settled down for bed, and creating those triggers in your mind or your son's mind to really help them understand, like, hey, I need to wind down to go to sleep now. And the next is the ball slide. Okay, my memory card ran out of space. I've been filming a lot today while we have a sitter over, but I am working on this ball drop. Again, there are 4 different sides that you can get the ball through, and this is really great just to sit down on whatever surface you have, and really teaches them, like the ball goes down and there's different ways to get the ball out and different mechanisms. Like there's a drawer that comes down and there's one that goes to the side and there's different handles and everything. So it's really fun. So the next toy is the Bunnies in a Burrow. So this comes like a little handle, like a little purse, and then there are 3 different bunnies. 2 of them are the same color and one of them is a different color, a little bit darker gray. But these are actually really fun, and we like to bring these to church because it is a quieter toy that doesn't have a million pieces. It only has 4 pieces, and it's fun for her to carry something into church that has something for her. It's nice that this one is really soft. It's kind of felt, a teal-ish color. On here it shows blue, but it's teal. At least for me it's teal. It might be other colors for different boxes, but no, we really have enjoyed this one, and it helps them to kind of understand how to grasp something, especially during, my daughter is a little bit older now, and she still enjoys playing with this. All right, and then we have the circle faces puzzle next. So that is this, if you can see it. They're different sizes and they're just circles, and it shows a little kid's face. for all of these. This one took my daughter a little bit of time to figure out. She would take out the faces and then strew these about the house, but she's really recently learned to put them back. The only thing is that she likes to put these knobs in her mouth like it's a binky, but this one has been really fun, and she loves seeing the smiling faces of kids on it. And then next is going to be a wood box, and there are different tops to go on this. So this one is like the coin drop. You can hear the coins in there. It is magnetic on the bottom, so it's a lot easier to get the coins out through the bottom and put the magnets back on, and then you are able to fit the little coins in. This really helps them with their fine motor skills and kind of figuring out how to problem solve. So yeah, and it comes with 5 different coins that are wood coins. And kind of going along with a vegetable theme, or like fruits and veggies and garden theme, that I've noticed over the past few boxes, and including the next box, because we've already have the next one. This one's the Babbler, and we already have the Pioneer. This one is like a little carrot. This one is actually her favorite, her absolute favorite. She loves to have these little carrots in that you can put in, or you can take them out and kind of pick the carrots, or you can push the carrots in and make them go by. And again, this is the same box, it's just a different top that you put on it, and you can undo this and all your carrots are out. All right, and the last one is what they call the posting lid. This one you do have to use some supplies that you do have on hand. They recommend Q-tips for this one, where you can poke the Q-tips in and poke them out. Luckily, we always have Q-tips on hand. So yeah, this one's just a little fun to make their fine motor skills work a little bit harder, because these are smaller holes than with the coin drop and with the carrot lid. And again, same box, just a different lid. The lids for these might be a little hard to get off. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is what it looks like without the lid, and this is what the lid looks like. So there's 2 different sides for you to be able to poke them on or off. Sometimes squeezing helps them get off. I just like to pull at one side, and then it usually pops off pretty quickly. All right, and I have one more to go. Okay, and this one is the final one. It's this little wood posting thing, and it comes with these little discs. So this really helps kids to work on their problem solving skills. This is attached by elastic, and so it will move around, and so it's a little tricky for them. They do have to work at it, and they're little saucer trays, as you can see. This comes with 6 different colors. I'm trying to think. 6 different colors of these, and it's all rainbow colored, and so there are 2 of each color. And yeah, you just do this, and then when they're ready to go, my daughter just likes to dump this over, and so it might make a little crashing noise, but these are pretty safe. They haven't damaged our floors at all. So yeah, that is that. All right, and those are the toys that are included in the Babbler box. As far as boxes go, we really have enjoyed this box. I believe it was $120, which is a good amount of cash. The reasons why we went with this box, and the reasons why we do choose to pay, is because there's a convenience factor of having all of these toys ready to go. You know that they are geared toward your child's learning phase within their age group, and it's just delivered to your door and you don't have to think about it. For me, that's a lot. We live probably 30 minutes away from the closest Target, and so that's a long drive, and having to go and then pick out toys and not knowing if it's too loud or not helping them learn at all. I think this is a really good option that kind of just puts my mom mind at ease. I do luckily have a discount code for you guys. I don't think I get any kickback. I might get $20 kickback if you spend $20, but if you are considering using it, I will leave that link down in the description box. Feel free to use it. Every Lovevery box comes with a little play guide, and it helps you come up with ideas how each play kit is best used, or each play toy is best used, and different activities that you can use to supplement your child's learning. And for me, someone who is at home with my daughter all the time, I'm always looking for new ideas, and it's great that they are all geared toward her specific learning age and learning time. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you found this helpful. I will leave a referral link down below if you are looking to get this box. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.